Now this one's got a bit of everything in it. So if we want to put these in ascending order, we need to make sure they've got the same denominator. We need to think of any mixed numbers we've got and make sure they're all improper numbers. So let's change any mixed numbers to improper numbers. We've only got one. 1 2/5 is the same as 5/5 and 2/5. So that's 7/5. So we're going to rewrite that as 7/5, and we'll keep our original fraction down the bottom, and we'll leave the colour a little different so we can remember to switch it back later. Now we need to check that we've got the same denominator, and we've actually got fifths and tenths. Now if 29 wasn't an odd number, we could divide it by 2 and divide the bottom by 2 and end up with fifths. But it's 29, so we need a lowest common denominator. And the lowest common denominator for 5 and 10 is 10. You might like to work out how we got to that. So we need to write an equivalent fraction for 7/5 and 17/5. Well, 7/5 is the same as 14/10. We want tenths, so we're going to multiply top and bottom by 2. We get 14/10. And 17/5 we multiply top and bottom by 2 and we get 34/10. Now we want ascending order, so we want smallest to largest. And if you look at the numerators, you can actually see 14 is the smallest and 34 is the largest. It's quite clear that these are in ascending order now, but it wasn't when we first had them. So if we put our original fractions back, we'll see that they're in ascending order. 14/10 was actually 1 2/5. 29/10 was 29/10, but 34/10 started as 17/5. So now they're in ascending order with the original fractions made up of a mixed number and some improper fractions.